Hi viewers, this is the Hiker AP and here you are in Manthoka waterfall. Manthoka is a part of district Kharmang at a distance of about 50 kilometers from Iskardu. You can reach here by any vehicle including motorbike, car or 4x4 jeeps. Here you will find very cool and crystal clear water elegantly flowing down waterfall and all modern facilities you need here. You can refresh yourself by being here at any season of the year. This will welcome you as ever. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.